Welcome to MAI Academy. My name is Samuel Omorigi, and I will be your digital instructor for this course, Machine Learning Project Development. Let me state out what to expect from this course. Machine Learning Project Development is a comprehensive course designed to equip you with the practical knowledge and technical skills required to develop, manage, deploy, and evaluate machine learning projects in real-world environments. As organizations increasingly rely on data-driven decision-making, machine learning has become one of the most valuable technologies for solving complex problems, automating processes, improving customer experiences, and creating innovative products and services. This course introduces you to the complete life cycle of machine learning project development, from understanding business problems and collecting data to building predictive models, evaluating performance, deploying solutions, and maintaining machine learning systems. Unlike theoretical courses that focus only on algorithms, this course emphasizes practical project development, enabling you to transform ideas into functional machine learning solutions. You will gain an understanding of how machine learning projects are planned, designed, and executed within organizations. The course explores the responsibilities of machine learning engineers, data scientists, project managers, business analysts, and stakeholders involved in project implementation. Students will learn how these professionals collaborate to create solutions that address business and societal challenges. The course covers the foundations of machine learning, including supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning, and deep learning. You will understand how machines learn from data, identify patterns, make predictions, and improve performance over time. Through practical examples and project-based learning, students will explore techniques for data preprocessing, feature engineering, model training, testing, optimization, and deployment. A significant focus is placed on project planning and management. You will discover how to define project objectives, gather requirements, assess feasibility, establish timelines, allocate resources, and monitor project progress. They will learn how to identify risks, manage stakeholders, and ensure successful project delivery while maintaining ethical and responsible AI practices. The course also addresses modern tools and frameworks used in machine learning development. You will become familiar with industry-standard technologies for data analysis, model development, visualization, and deployment. They will gain insights into cloud-based machine learning services, automation tools, and collaborative development environments used by professionals worldwide. Machine learning projects often encounter challenges such as poor data quality, bias, overfitting, scalability issues, and deployment complexities. This course prepares you to identify and address these challenges effectively. Students will learn practical strategies for improving model accuracy, ensuring fairness, enhancing interpretability, and maintaining model performance in production environments. Ethical considerations are integrated throughout the course to help you understand the broader impact of machine learning technologies. Topics such as fairness, accountability, transparency, privacy, security, and responsible AI development are explored in detail. You will understand how to build systems that comply with ethical standards and organizational requirements. By the end of the course, you will be able to independently plan, develop, evaluate, and deploy machine learning projects that deliver measurable value. Whether working in healthcare, finance, education, agriculture, manufacturing, government, or technology sectors, students will possess the knowledge and confidence needed to contribute effectively to machine learning initiatives. This course is suitable for aspiring data scientists, machine learning engineers, software developers, business analysts, project managers, researchers, entrepreneurs, and professionals seeking to integrate machine learning into their organizations. The project-oriented approach ensures that you gain practical experience and industry-relevant skills that can be applied immediately in professional settings. The knowledge gained from this course provides a strong foundation for advanced studies in artificial intelligence, deep learning, computer vision, natural language processing, predictive analytics, and intelligent automation. It also prepares you to participate in the growing digital economy, where machine learning continues to transform industries and create new opportunities for innovation. Machine learning project development is an essential course because machine learning has become a critical technology driving innovation and competitive advantage across industries. Organizations are increasingly using machine learning solutions to improve efficiency, reduce costs, enhance customer satisfaction, and create intelligent products and services. As demand for machine learning expertise grows, professionals with project development skills are highly sought after in the global workforce. One of the primary reasons this course is important is its focus on practical application. Many individuals understand machine learning concepts but struggle to translate that knowledge into real-world solutions. This course bridges that gap by teaching you how to manage the entire development process, from problem identification to deployment and maintenance. Such practical skills are invaluable in professional environments where results matter more than theoretical knowledge alone. The course helps you develop critical thinking and problem-solving abilities. Machine learning projects require professionals to analyze business challenges, identify opportunities for automation and prediction, select appropriate methodologies, and evaluate outcomes. These skills are transferable across numerous industries and career paths. Organizations generate enormous amounts of data every day. Without proper analysis, much of this information remains unused. This course teaches you how to extract valuable insights from data and convert them into actionable intelligence. As businesses increasingly rely on data-driven decisions, professionals capable of developing machine learning solutions become key contributors to organizational success. Another important aspect of this course is its emphasis on project management principles. Successful machine learning projects require more than technical expertise. They involve planning, communication, teamwork, budgeting, scheduling, and stakeholder management. You gain a comprehensive understanding of how to coordinate technical and business aspects of project execution. The course also promotes innovation and creativity. Machine learning technologies enable organizations to solve problems that were previously difficult or impossible to address. You develop the ability to create intelligent systems capable of recognizing patterns, forecasting trends, detecting anomalies, and automating decision-making processes. These capabilities support innovation in products, services, and business operations. Career development is another significant benefit. Machine learning skills are among the most in-demand competencies in today's labor market. Employers seek professionals who can develop and manage machine learning projects effectively. Completing this course enhances employability and opens opportunities in roles such as machine learning engineer, data scientist, AI developer, business intelligence analyst, data analyst, AI consultant, and project manager. The course contributes to digital transformation initiatives within organizations. As businesses adopt advanced technologies, they require professionals who understand how to integrate machine learning into existing systems and processes. You gain the expertise needed to support organizational modernization efforts and drive technological advancement. Ethical and responsible AI development is becoming increasingly important as machine learning systems influence critical decisions affecting individuals and communities. This course teaches you how to identify and mitigate bias, protect privacy, ensure transparency, and develop trustworthy AI solutions that align with ethical standards and legal requirements. Machine learning also plays a significant role in addressing societal challenges. Applications in healthcare, education, environmental protection, agriculture, transportation, and public safety have the potential to improve lives and support sustainable development. This course empowers you to contribute to meaningful projects that create positive social impact. Furthermore, the course develops adaptability and lifelong learning skills. Machine learning technologies evolve rapidly, and professionals must continuously update their knowledge. By understanding core concepts and project development methodologies, you build a foundation that supports future learning and career growth in emerging technologies. Ultimately, this course prepares you to become competent professionals capable of transforming data into valuable solutions, managing complex projects, and contributing to innovation in a rapidly changing digital world. Upon successful completion of this course, you will be able to 1. Understand machine learning fundamentals. Define machine learning and artificial intelligence concepts. Explain how machines learn from data. Differentiate between supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Understand common machine learning algorithms and their applications. 2. Identify and define business problems. Analyze organizational challenges suitable for machine learning solutions. Define project objectives and success criteria. Translate business requirements into technical requirements. Conduct feasibility assessments for machine learning projects. 3. Collect and manage data. Understand various data sources. Gather structured and unstructured data. Assess data quality and reliability. Organize and manage data sets effectively. 4. Perform data preparation and cleaning. Handle missing values and inconsistencies. Remove duplicates and irrelevant information. Normalize and standardize data sets. Prepare data for machine learning model development. 5. Conduct exploratory data analysis. Analyze data distributions and trends. Identify patterns and anomalies. Use visualization techniques to understand data sets. Generate meaningful insights from raw data. 6. Engineer and select features. Create meaningful features for machine learning models. Reduce dimensionality of data sets. Select relevant variables for improved model performance. Understand feature importance and impact. 7. Build machine learning models. Develop classification models. Develop regression models. Create clustering models. Implement recommendation systems and predictive models. 8. Train and optimize models. Split data sets into training and testing sets. Evaluate model performance, tune hyperparameters, improve accuracy and reliability. 9. Validate and evaluate models. Measure model effectiveness using evaluation metrics. Detect overfitting and underfitting. Compare multiple models. Select the best performing solution. 10. Manage machine learning projects. Create project plans and schedules. Allocate resources efficiently. Monitor project progress. Manage project risks and stakeholder expectations. 11. Work with machine learning tools and frameworks. Explore popular machine learning development environments. Utilize industry-standard libraries and frameworks. Understand automation and workflow tools. Collaborate using modern development platforms. 12. Deploy machine learning solutions. Prepare models for production environments. Integrate machine learning solutions into applications. Deploy models using cloud platforms. Monitor deployed systems. 13. Maintain and improve models. Track model performance over time, detecting performance degradation, update and retrain models, implement continuous improvement strategies, understand AI ethics and governance, identify ethical concerns in AI systems, reduce bias and discrimination, ensure transparency and accountability, promote responsible AI practices. 15. Communicate machine learning results, present findings to stakeholders, develop technical reports, create project documentation, explain complex concepts to non-technical audiences. 16. Develop end-to-end machine learning projects. Plan complete machine learning solutions. Manage project life cycles. Build and deploy real-world applications. Deliver measurable business value through machine learning. 17. Apply machine learning across industries. Healthcare analytics, financial forecasting, educational technology, agricultural intelligence, marketing and customer analytics, manufacturing optimization, government and public service applications. 18. Prepare for professional opportunities. Build project portfolios. Demonstrate industry-relevant skills. Understand workplace expectations. Prepare for careers in AI and machine learning. By studying this course, you will acquire the knowledge, practical skills, and project management capabilities required to successfully develop, deploy, and manage machine learning solutions in diverse organizational and industry environments. I look forward to congratulating you upon the successful completion of this course. To maximize your learning experience, ensure that you actively participate in all individual and group activities, as well as complete the course assessments. Your commitment and dedication will contribute greatly to your success. I wish you the very best throughout this learning journey, and I look forward to celebrating your achievements at the end of the course.